It's time to give these people on our side of the pond, the European creatives, the platform that they deserve, which is a global platform. People here are just as talented as anywhere else in the world, and they're diverse and they're interesting, and you should check out their stories.
Argonauts by Hatchling Games, based in the UK. Stories from ancient Greece, ancient civilizations, but we're in space with spaceships and interplanetary transport and mechs.
Why We Fight by Stop Drop and Roll. You play as eco punks fighting fascism. It's not just about survival, it's about rebuilding and working together.
Oh, look at these hot people. Rush of Blood by Julia Cortez, who is a Polish person but based in France. In this game, you play a vampire's favorite blood source. You talk about that relationship you have with the vampire who looks at you thirsty.